I am Vivek. Welcome to VCG Knowledge Channel. After Wondershare tutorial series, we are starting new tutorial series on QB64. What is QB64 and why tutorial series on QB64? In my view, there are two reasons. First reason is we are in the age where everyone is learning or using internet and learning programming, machine learning, etc. Secondly, QB64 is a part of curriculum of class 5th onwards or maybe 4th onwards. So I prepared these tutorials in a very easy manners or language so that the student can grasp it more easily and quickly. I have explained how to download, install, what are the building blocks, what are the components of the QB64 window, how many ways we can use it for programming. For example, we have the statement, simple statement, clear, CLS and print. And secondly, what is the difference between the sequential and continuation and loop programming statements. This way I have explained in tutorials. Watch them and I am sure kids will learn a lot and enjoy it. And I would also request you, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Like, share, comment. Thank you very much.
In this tutorial, we will see or learn what is QB64 or Quick Basic. Second, how to download and install QB64. And third, what are the components of QB64 Windows. So let's start with the download process. I have provided the link from where you can download QB64. It will bring you to this page. You can see on the screen, if you use Linux, then you need to download from this link. If you are a Mac user, then you have to download from this link. And if you are Windows user, then there are two versions. First is 32-bit and second one is 64-bit. You should use Windows 64 and click on the zip file. The moment you click, it will start downloading. This is almost 151 MB file. By the time it is downloading, I will tell you what is QB64 or what is basic. Actually, basic BASIC stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. It belongs to the category of high level programming languages. Okay. And it basically supports character user interface, that is nothing but is a CUI short form. Quick Basic is an easy to use version of the original Basic. Okay, and there are different versions like famous name or no name is Visual Basic. QB64 is an editor, IDE short form. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it provides a comprehensive environment to write and test software. And why this is QB64? Because it works on 64-bit system. So this is QB64. Okay, Quick Basic, and it works on 64-bit system. So this is QB64. And what is basic? Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. And there are two more additional terms, CUI and IDE. CUI means character users interface and IDE is integrated development environment. Okay, now this zip file has downloaded. After downloading it, we need to extract it. Extract all. Select the location, click on extract. It will start extracting all the files. You can see this is a folder where these files are extracting. So it will take some time. Once this extraction is completed, go inside into the folder and see this icon QB64 and double click on it, and then it will open this window. This is nothing but this is a QB64 editor, what I was mentioning in IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay. So far we have understood what is QBasic and how we can download and install it. Now we will learn what are the QBasic window component. There are 7 parts. First is title bar. This is a title bar, and this is menu bar, and this is a program name, right? This is program area, and this is status area. This is status bar, and here we have vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. So we have 7 components of the QB64 Windows. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.